Hi everybody, this is Andrew. Today is our Sudoku day. Last video, I played with you about the moderate level, the game 1 and 2 something. So today I will summarize what's the strategy for Sudoku. That means some technologies in Sudoku we summarize together. Probably is a little bit help for you. The basic part, you already know I used many times how to start your Sudoku. Normally, just you find the number and put on the direction on this way, something like that. You find the 5, you go the 5 here and the 5 here. In this region, this column, and this column cannot use the 5. So only one cell use the 5 only. So put on the 5 here. This is one way. Another one is two-way. For example, the 6. You go this way, it's not enough because we have 2 cells open. But the 6 on here, you can direct this way and you delete this cell, so only one cell left. Put on the 6 on here. This is the scanning for the Sudoku. Let us start Sudoku in this way. Another one is the scan. You can extend the scan way. So look at this example. You look at it for 9. In here, your 9 go this way, right? For this region, this 2 column cannot use the 9. But based on this region, you go this way means this 2 cell cannot use the 9, right? So the 9 must in this column for this region. If that means in hand, the 9 will be in 1, 2, 3, the 3 cells. So for this region, this column cannot use the 9. So in here is when you use the 9 from this way, and just like the 9 is already in this column. So this 2 column for this region cannot use the 9. So only one cell left. So you put on the 9 in here. This is the extend the scanning for this way. Of course, you can use that way directly. And another tools you already use probably put on the candidate in the cell. When you put on the candidate in it, sometimes you find only one candidate in the cell. For example, in this cell, we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So only one number of 5 left. So you can put on the 5 inside. Another way is for only one row. Just now, there's have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. It's empty, the 4 empty cell. But for the 6, in here, this cell cannot use the 6. This cell cannot use the 6 as well. 6 already in this column. So one of the 4 empty cell, only this one is left. So you put on the 6 on it. So this is the basic way for how to basic way for the playing a Sudoku. So next one, maybe you have some another technologies for the Sudoku. I'll give you some example because it's so many. So you'll just give you some popular or some happens many times and give you some idea. You can do that by this way. This is a hidden singles. For example, in this column, we have 3, 8, 9 for the three things. But 3, 9 on this cell cannot happen on this cell. So it must happen on the other two cells, right? So only 8 put on this cell. That's the hidden singles. It's hidden singles. Another scenario. In this way, we have for this row, we have the 3 cells. So that cells is 3, 7, 8 for the 3 cells on this row. But in this one, we can get the answer is 5, 6, 9 on this row because there's a 3, 7, 8 already here. So 5, 6, 9 on here. But we have the 9, 6 in here. So 9, 6 should be these two cells, only 5 in here, this way. Another one is 6, 9 in here. You can go to a 6, 9 here and a 6, 9 here. So this one must be 6, 9. So only left 5 in here. Another scenario is for this region. 9, 1 go there this way. We left 2 cells. So that one must be 1, 9, right? So we have 3 and 6 for these 2 cells. Use the 6 here, go not here, so must be put on the 6 in here. This is the hidden single in here. Another one is, for example here, we have, for this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 empty cells. But in this region, we have 6, 2 only in here. So that means 6, 2 not happen on these 3 cells. But 2 cells, 2 empty cells left. And must 2, 6. You can put on here, the 2, 6 here, right? If the 2, 6 already here, and you can get the answer. Because 2, 6 already there, not the other number, must 2 or 6. And this way is 7. So in 3 empty here, so put on the 7 from here to the end, only 1 cell left. You can put on the 7 on this corner. Another way is when you put on the candidate on your Sudoku, you found 9, 1, 1, 3, 9 in 3 cell. So that means in this column cannot use the 1, 3, 9, right? So only for this cell, we count from 1 to 9. It's 1, not 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So only 2 left. You can put on the 2 in the cell. This the hidden singles is probably have the other way. It's many ways you can use. I just give you some idea. You can follow this idea and find your way. Another one is a hidden pair. For example, just like the other one, you the three cells and three empty cells in this region we already know is 159 here. So in this column, except 189, 159, only left 38 in here. So you can put on the 38 in here, and then probably A3 will help you to find the other solution. So you use the candidate on it now and then use it later. So this is the idea, something like that. Use the many ways to find the solution. Something like this way. The 6 2 here cannot use the 6 2, so 6 2 put on here. And then you can use the 7, go directly to find the cell to be solved. So this way, in the other way, to find the 2 candidates in the empty cells. I just summarize some technique for the Sudoku. And please subscribe and tell the bell on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.